Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a freelance career with Upwork, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating an Upwork account on their official website. Fill out your profile with accurate information. Upload a professional photo of yourself. Craft a compelling profile summary that highlights your skills and experience. Add relevant skills to your profile to improve search visibility. Set your hourly rate based on your expertise and market research. Take skill tests available on Upwork to showcase your abilities. Verify your identity as requested by Upwork for added credibility. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. Begin searching for jobs that match your skills and interests. Read job descriptions carefully to ensure you qualify. Tailor each proposal to the specific job, addressing the client's needs. Be concise and clear in your proposals. Include relevant experience and examples in your proposals. Set a competitive bid that reflects your expertise and the value you offer. Follow up on proposals if you don't hear back in a week. Once hired, maintain open communication with your client. Deliver high-quality work on or before the deadline. Request feedback after the job is completed to build your reputation. Continue to refine your profile and proposals based on client responses. Start networking with other freelancers and clients on the platform. Gradually increase your rates as you gain experience and positive reviews. Diversify your skill set to attract a wider range of clients. Stay updated with industry trends to remain competitive. Continuously practice and improve your skills to enhance your offerings. Embark on your freelance journey with dedication and perseverance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.